So check this out. As you can see, I've made almost $400 in the past 3 days using a completely free affiliate marketing strategy that doesn't require you to A, create a website, B, search for traffic, or C, create any type of videos online. And as you watch this video, I'll be sharing a free copy and paste method that anyone can do worldwide that will allow you to get your affiliate link in front of thousands of people with just a few clicks of a button. So if that's got you hyped and you're ready to learn, then do me a favor and smash that like button and let's get this started. What's going on? My name is Wilkins and welcome to the channel. The first thing we need to do is find you an affiliate product that you can promote and make money from. You've got plenty of websites like Warrior Plus where it takes just a few minutes to sign up and you can get access to their large marketplace with thousands of products to choose from. I'm also going to be sharing with you my #1 affiliate program that I personally like to promote that pays you 80% in instant commissions down in the description. So if you want to check that out, it will be the first link that you see down below. But you can just use Warrior Plus for now. Go ahead and create yourself a free account, and the very first thing you'll see are the top products currently selling on Warrior Plus. You can see the top products for that day or even up to the last 30 days. What you want to do is go up to the top and click on affiliate and select offer. Once you click on offers, you'll get a list of products currently listed on the site. You can filter the products by things like date launch, sales, and post score, but you can leave this stuff be. Now, here's a fun fact. The average conversion rate for affiliate marketing products, according to Vigilink, are between 1.5 and 3%. And as you can see, the conversion rates on Warrior Plus are much higher than that. Now, for the purposes of this training, I'm just going to choose this TrendsBot product. It's fairly new, has a good amount of sales, a decent conversion rate, and a low refund rate. Now, just keep in mind that if you're watching this maybe, say, a month or two from now, this list may be completely different, and you may not even see this product, especially since AI is such a hot topic right now. Instead, what I'll tell you is if you're watching this later, look for products that are fairly recent with a good conversion rate, good sales, and a low refund rate, and you should be okay. Once you find a product you want to promote, the next thing you want to do is click on request. Warrior Plus requires you to get approved by the vendor first before you get access to that product's affiliate link. Now, this isn't difficult. You'll be taken to a separate page to request access. Click on request approval, and this pop-up will show up, and you can either leave a message or request approval. Now, most of the time, you'll get approved, no issue. But if you find yourself having issues getting approved, I'll leave a link down in the description below with a few templates that you can use to help you get approved. All you have to do at this point is just sit tight and wait for an email letting you know that you got approved to promote that product. Now, I would personally suggest requesting approval for a few different programs. The vendors are from different places around the world and may not respond right away. Now, once you get approved and you get your affiliate link, open up a notepad and paste that affiliate link on a notepad and save it for later. And now we move on to the step where it's time to start driving that unlimited free traffic to our product and start making sales. Head to classifiedads.com. This is a website where you can create unlimited free ads and generate tons of free traffic that you can drive to the products you're promoting. Classified Ads is a very popular website, and according to SimilarWeb, a famous web tool used for analyzing websites and traffic data, Classified Ads within the last 90 days has had over 2 million visitors. Now that's massive. That's a lot of people looking for work or income generating opportunities, and that's perfect for us because that means we're going to be able to get plenty of eyes, plenty of clicks, and ultimately tons of sales using this completely free traffic source. So here's how we're going to do this. Our focus is going to be under jobs, and we're going to select business opportunities. Next, at the top right, you want to select post ad. Jobs and business opportunities should automatically be filled out, but if not, select these two as you see them on the screen. Next is the zip code. Classified Ads is a US-based website that categorizes services based on area codes. Those of us in the US are familiar with zip codes, so just plug one in for now. And for those of you who live outside the United States, all you need to do is pull up Google and search for US cities and zip codes, grab one, and plug it in. Next, we need to give our ad a catchy title that will grab eyes and add a description that will make people want to click on our ad. So make sure you pay attention to everything I'm about to share with you, because there are a lot of mistakes people make when posting ads on these types of websites that completely hinder their chances of making any sales. Now, first, what I like to do is put the opportunity in caps with emotes following what the opportunity can offer. So in this example, I have work from home in all caps with fire emotes at the beginning and the end. You can try lines like work from home, remote work opportunities, virtual work opportunities, things like that. Now, right after that, I have what the opportunity offers. So in this example, I have $100 to $300 daily payouts. If we take a second to look at the other ads, you can see pages upon pages of ads that just look kind of bland and just blend in with each other. None of these really stand out, so having a title that stands out the way ours does makes all the difference. Next is the asking price. Just add a 0 or leave this blank. Now we come to the description, and what I'm about to tell you is super important. This is where you talk about your offer, and what most people on the internet will tell you is to take the ad copy from the sales page of the offer you're promoting and paste it here. Please do not do this. Sites like this don't like any type of blatant affiliate or network marketing. Using the sales copy from the sales page will get your ad removed. Instead, treat this like a job posting, and here's an example of what I mean. So this is our description for our ad. It's very simple. It's straight to the point with a few bullet points. As a matter of fact, what I'll do is I'll leave a link down in the description with a few templates that you can just copy and paste in, and that'll make things super simple for you. So we got the title, the description, and now we need a call to action to get people to our offer. Keeping with the theme, my go-to call to action is click here to apply. Now we need to insert our affiliate link, but we can't just paste it in. That will get our post removed. Instead, we will mask our affiliate link inside our call to action. So what we'll do is we'll highlight our call to action and then click on the link icon in the toolbar, and a pop-up will appear. And here is where you will paste the affiliate link you saved to your notepad earlier. Hit OK after you paste in your link, and now you will see your call to action is colored in blue with an underline. Go ahead and bold this real quick so it'll stand out a little bit more. Now our affiliate link is masked and our ad is ready to go live. The last thing we need to do is just fill out a last bit of information and we're good to go. So just add your first name and use the zip code and the city you used earlier, and you should be good to go. Now, if you are forced to provide a number, you can either use Google Voice or one of the numerous apps in your app store that provide temporary numbers. For the expiration, typically I like to choose a week. It will make people respond faster if they know they don't have a lot of time to respond. They have one of them capture things, so just re-enter the code that you see on the screen, and then you can post your ad. We don't need an image, so you don't have to worry about any of that. Now let's talk about my top 3 strategies that I use to 3x my results with this website. My first tip is that most people here will just post 1 or 2 ads and then they'll expect to make thousands overnight. Look, it don't work that way. If you want this to work, you'll need to make multiple posts per day. I would say at least 5. You can make an unlimited number of posts on this website without penalty. So why not take advantage of this free resource? Tip number 2 is to space out your listings. Classified ads won't just post your ad in the zip code you selected. It will share your ad to neighboring zip codes in that city. So don't waste your time trying to cover every zip code in a city. Instead, spread them out. Hit a couple of cities in one state, then move on to the next state, hit a couple of cities, rinse and repeat. Remember, there are 50 states in the United States and over 40,000 zip codes, so you have plenty to work with. And my last tip is to go back and renew older ads. Those old ads will be refreshed and reposted. The more ads you have posted, the better. And if you have a particular zip code that does well, you can just renew that old post and save yourself some time. And that's all there is to it. This is a great free method that anyone can do to get tons of traffic to your offer and generate income passively online. Now, if you learned a lot from this video and you want me to make more free traffic methods just like this, then do me a favor and smash that like button and click on the notification bell so you can stay alerted whenever I post a new free traffic method right here on this channel. And once again, if you want to discover my #1 affiliate program that pays 80% in instant commissions, check out the first link in the description down below. And with that, this video is done. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you on the next one.